Welcome back. We've got the Urban Express, and I have installed the Malossi race gears, however it's pronounced. I like Malossi. I don't know why I always get hung up on that. The Malossi race gears. And we're taking it out for a little shakedown run, seeing what we've got. Now, I think my previous top speed was 51 miles an hour, and I actually was just a little bit slower than that. 50.4 miles per hour, because other adjustments need to be made. I'm running a Malossi belt, which is a little different than the BX31 and other belts for that matter. And I've got, I think, 27 grams in the variator. So my pipe used to hit at 35 miles an hour, and it would hit pretty hard. Now it hits at 44 miles an hour and not quite as hard. So I think what we need to do is to get that pipe to hit earlier and harder, and we will rock it past 51 miles an hour after we have made adjustments to do that. Now, I've got a couple ideas with what I want to do, and I won't reveal those until a little bit later. And this next little segment is where I believe I hit 50.4 miles an hour, and I'll let you listen to it and see if you can't really see the GPS speedo on my phone, unfortunately, but I'll let you listen to it and see if you can tell where the pipe hits, and I'll listen in as well and see if I can tell. So just because you install a performance part does not mean that it is plug and play. You've got modifications and adjustments to do. So hang on, here we go. So you can hear it struggle there from about 20 miles an hour to about 35 miles an hour. And then I kind of heard where the pipe kicked in a little bit. You were probably able to tell as well, but it's about at 44 miles an hour, which is kind of hard to tell on the speedometer, especially since you're beyond 35 miles an hour, and I've got that huge front tire, and at around 35 to 40 miles an hour, you're talking about probably 3 to 5 mile an hour difference between how fast you're really going and what the speedometer is reading. But anyways, like I said, the pipe is hitting too late, and it's hitting not as hard as it should. So I think I've got two adjustments to make. One is I will probably lower the amount of weight in the variator to 24 grams, or I might try a different belt, maybe the AX31 belt, or a combination of the two, basically get those RPMs up a little higher and lower speeds so that the pipe hits sooner. And I bet this thing will sail well past 51 miles an hour. Stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the ride.